front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. I will show you how to delete all of your junk files from this device, so don't worry, your pictures or any other data won't be deleted. With that out of the way, we can go into settings and scroll to click on the storage section. Now hit cleanup at the bottom and wait for your device to perform a scan. When it does, hit cleanup next to junk files and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!